coffee in a hot spring. Toastie life, as we know it. It's quite lovely.
We are on a road trip through the Eastern Sierras in California. Our plan, well, we have no plans. We're going to camp, hike, and drive our way through this beautiful landscape. We named our car Toastie because Honda Elements are shaped like toasters. Here's how we spent our days.
Devils Postpile is typically a shuttle bus to get in, except for the 2 weekends or 3 weekends it's open in September. We actually kind of got lucky that we timed this on a Saturday because I didn't even know they weren't open during the weekdays. Picnic time before we hike Devils Postpile.
Parking is crazy here. So we are all the way in the Rainbow Falls and the Meadow Lake Camp, I think is what it's called. Are you being the columnar basalt? Columnar, how is that? What is columnar? Columnar? How do you say that damn word? Columnar basalt. Let's go. It's hard to make a hexagon. Columnar basalt.
Tectonic plates in action. We've got an earthquake fault.
I think I got it. Okay. Whew.
Good.
Hot sauce is hot.
It got it was quite spicy. Good morning, Sean. Time to go join Sean in the hot springs. Got my coffee. Oh, nice and hot. A short walk.
These ones are colder than the one up at the top by the parking lot, but they're way prettier.
We're heading to Bodie on the Rocky Roadie.
That was really cool. Bodie, I loved it. The history of ghost towns in California and mining traditions. So windy. Woo! Vista Point for some snacks.
Peanut butter.
The South Tufa section of Mono Lake is fantastic. We spent a lot of time in the visitor center too, which was super.
Devils Postpile, Mono Lake, Bodie.
Super normal for you to do. Because you love visitor centers. You like visitor centers more than you like the parks.
No, that's not true. But I do like learning about where I am, and I thought the visitor center was very informational. So I've been pronouncing Mono Lake incorrectly this whole time. It's Mono Lake, not Mono Lake. Thank you, visitor center. Mono Lake. We got a Bodie and a Mono Lake. Whew, we slept at 10,000 feet right near the entrance to the Tioga Pass East Yosemite entrance.
It worked out great. It's snowing. It's not a heavy snow, but it is snowing, and it's getting heavier.
Oh my gosh!
Oh!
It's actual snow!
Were you prepared for snow on our September Yosemite trip?
No! This type of weather though means that we probably should go home.
We're really high, so maybe we should just get to the valley floor as soon as possible so that we don't get that windy bit snowed
Yeah,
in.
we're at like a little under 9,000 feet right now, I think.
All right, well, I'm getting snowed on, so I'm going back in the car.
That's the back of Half Dome right there. And then this tall one that's covered by clouds is Cloud's Rest.
So it's
Literally.
appropriate, yeah. It's a really nice day for my first day at Yosemite.
Toastie! My hand's so cold.
Having fun in Yosemite?
It's great. It's so pretty. It's so cold. Sean's first view of the valley.
Yeah, 5,000 feet. We're finally done with all the random snow and Yosemite Valley.
Tell me how you think.
It's very nice.
Keep dancing. Do that again, I missed it.
It's great. Nobody here. Beautiful views of El Cap. It's pretty sweet.
The sun is coming out. It's so much warmer, yay! So Capitances, hooray!
We're heading out of Yosemite Valley right now. It's about 1 p.m. so we've been here since 7 a.m. Since the weather's kind of cold and a little sun, a lot of rain, we're gonna head home. Got a couple more viewpoints to hit up on our way out, but it's been a really good Toastie trip, but I think we're a little wiped out at this point.
Welcome to Death Valley. They get 2 inches of rain a year here, and it's the lowest part of the United States.
And all the rain was today, huh?
Yeah, a lot of people think Death Valley isn't this green, but it is. It's great.
Going home. Toastie road trip success. Sean's tired.
Pretty tired.
What did we do? 5 nights? 6 nights?
7? 6? I don't know.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh yeah, 6 nights. Okay. So we did 6 nights in Toastie in a row with no showers.
But with 2 hot pools.
2 hot pools, but we went
rain.
in. But we went in twice, so that's like 4 baths essentially.
Yeah. We're so clean. It's been a great trip. Eastern Sierra was surprising and beautiful. Highly recommended. Especially if you have a Toastie.
Thanks for watching. I'm Lainey and this is Sean, and we're from Days We Spend. Woo! The aftermath of a Toastie.
The end
road
of a
trip.
Toastie. The end of a Toastie.
Don't put anything away. And there's just
Screw it.
stuff everywhere.
I don't even care anymore.